Welcome to my second Python for Work project. As a marketing person, I always have to create schedules for presentation. While planning the schedule is what I should focus on, spending time on the format of schedule always costs me more time and energy. So how to work more efficiently brings me this programming idea, the schedule creator. Only input the start date and end date of the task, as well as the task itself. I can have a fairly nice enough schedule in Excel and PDF. Let me show you how simple my program is and how it works. First of all, I have created an Excel file with Hong Kong public holiday information in Chinese. My original version is to extract this information online while running the program. The fact is, it makes not much difference either way, just I prefer my program can be run in offline mode. Once the program starts, you will see a colorful panel for selecting month and year. This is for choosing the starting time of a project. Let's say I have a project starting from March 2020, I don't need two empty sheets of January and February, so I can skip them by choosing March, and the program will generate an Excel file from March 2020 to February 2021. If I don't select month info, the program will assume the schedule starts from January. A second panel pops up after I click the year button. It takes some time to load and create, but it will definitely be much faster than to manually create one from zero. Okay, now, loading has finished and this second panel is for the actual input of the schedule. All I have to do is to select the starting date and end date of each task in a nice tiny calendar. While I have selected the project starts from March 2020 in the first panel, you can see that this tiny calendar is also starting from March 2020. So, let's say my first task starts from March 18th to March 20th. Click OK button every time I have inputted a record. A second task takes only one day to finish, on March 19th, which is in between the first task. Let's see what will happen later. The third task is a cross-month work. It starts from March 31st to April the 2nd. In this second panel I have created two checked boxes for selection. The first one is if a full 12-month schedule in Excel format. If I don't need a full version, simply leave it unticked and the program will generate the months that I have inputted. The second checked box is asking if I need it in PDF version. I clicked it for demo purpose. After everything is inputted and selected, click Finish button. It will generate the files that we needed and it will take some time to process. Once it is done, click Close Window button in both panels to close the program. And now you can see there are some Excel files and a PDF file created. The one we are looking for is Schedule XLSX and PDF. Let's open the Excel file first. Because I did not select a full Excel version and I have only inputted 3 tasks to do in March and April, the file has generated only 2 sheets. In the Excel, the left panel is a calendar with year and month info on top. There are some color bars inside the calendar, representing the tasks we inputted. I think it would be an easier way for the viewer to imagine the schedule in this chart-like graphic. While on the right top panel is a list of the schedule in text format, like an explanation of the calendar. And the right bottom panel shows the public holiday info. We don't have holiday in March, but you can see this information in April. The PDF version is just exactly the same as Excel file, just in different formats serving for different purposes. So this is my little program which has spent me about 2 months of after-work personal time. But from now on, I can finish any schedule setup in 2 minutes, and focus only on how to plan my schedule. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment on my video and channel. Thanks.